Welcome to the AI Generation channel.
Let's be honest, Midjourney is pretty good at creating images from text. But if you are just starting to dive in the world of creating images using artificial intelligence, not everyone can afford to pay $10 every month for training. For this reason, I have analyzed numbers of different AI image generators, and in this video, I will show you one of the best free alternative to Midjourney. This application allows you to create about 100 images daily and absolutely free. Links are in the description. Let's start. Go to Tensor Art, click Sign In. You can quickly create an account in a few different ways, using Gmail or Discord account, or email. In this window, you need to enter your nickname and upload an avatar if you want. Click the Save button to save your profile. Then we're taken to this beautiful site where we'll actually be doing our work. The advantage of Tensor Art over most similar alternatives lies in the incredible variety of different models. Let me explain. On the Models tab, all the images you see have been created using different models developed by different companies and users. Note, some models create content for people over 18. I can't show them in this video so as not to get blocked. But if you want to check them out or even create an adult-themed image, go to your profile, select Settings. Then enable Mature Content and blur mature content. After that, content 18+ will be shown in blur mode. So, Tensor Art creates very good images in styles like realism, anime, paint, hentai, and many different other styles. Let's back to work. To create an image, we can click on Workspace or choose a model that we like. I'll choose this one. On the right, click the Run button. Now, we're in the window where we'll actually be generating our images. So, let's begin from the very top and go through the most important functions. In the Basic Model tab, you can see the model you've chosen. If we click on it, a window opens where we can select a different model if necessary. Below that, in the Prompt tab, we can write whatever we want to see in our image. In the Negative Prompt tab, we add what we don't want in our image. Image to Image means that you can post your photo as a reference for Tensor Art to create a new image similar to the one you posted. In the Settings tab, we can fine-tune the size of our image. The sampling method gives you more detailed customization of the final image. If you are a beginner, leave it as is by default. Later you can play around with it and see how it works. Below you can see the Hires Fix, which is essentially a built-in scalability enhancement tool. You can choose how the image will be scaled. Leave the setting step value set to 0. But you can experiment with the noise reduction level if there is too much or too little noise in your image. Then choose how many times you want to enlarge the image. So, if I'm creating an image with a resolution of 1024 by 1024 and I choose 2x, the final image will be 2048 by 2048. Keep in mind that using this function will cost you an additional token. Normally one image costs 1 token. It's the same with Tailor. It works a bit differently, but the essence is the same, and it will cost you an additional token. So, once you've got your head around everything, let's move on to creating an image. In the Prompt tab, we write our prompt, and added what I don't want to see in the Negative Prompt tab. Now, in the Count tab, we select the number of images we want to generate and press Generate. After a few seconds, we get some cool images. Hovering the cursor over our image, we can download it. There are some additional options after detailer and upscaler. Above, you can see send to image, meaning you can use this image as a reference to create a similar one but with different details. And also remix. Remix is quite an interesting feature, which will be useful for both beginners and experienced creators of AI images. Let's look at how remix works using another image as an example. I like this image, so let's choose this model. Hover over this image and press the remix button, and as you can see, all the settings have changed, everything. The model, the prompt, and other settings were copied from those used to create the image we clicked remix on. If we don't change anything and click generate, we'll get a similar result. Not identical, but close to it. The remix function can be very useful if you see or generate an image that you really like. You can change some details in the prompt or settings and get a slightly different result. So, on Tensor Art, in the Posts tab, you can see posts from other creators who publish their best work to their profile. You can subscribe to cool creators, follow their work, use their work as a reference, make remix from them and see which settings they choose, and thus learn yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share this video to support my work. See you in the next AI tutorial.
Stay on the channel and find even more interesting and useful videos.